All right, go.
Drilling holes or whatever for the tub to fit on these frames. They're already pre-fit for you. You put them through the test, so. Hey guys, this is John at JeepsterMan. Today we're at MD Juan at their factory. You can hear noise in the background. Everybody's working. But today we're going to show you some of the tools, some of the processes, and some of the exciting parts that they're making for us. So this here is their CNC Milling Machine. This is a new machine that MD Juan has purchased to make some of the new products that we're looking at. We'll move over this way. This here, so this is a tool they developed. So we had the door sills for the Willys truck and the station wagon. Those got discontinued, but JeepsterMan, we're having these made. MD Juan, here's the tooling for that aluminum door sill we're going to be making. This here, this is kind of hard to recognize what this is, but there was a battery hold down. I believe this part number was 989284, battery hold down, and they're using this tool to make a battery hold down for us. So all of this is capable due to the new CNC milling machine that we have here. So if you want to see more of these videos, we'll be putting all this stuff on YouTube of the products and the new tools that MD Juan and JeepsterMan are developing. You can find all these parts on the JeepsterMan.com. You can email us if you've got questions, which is sales@JeepsterMan.com, or you can call 314-798-6462. Thanks.
Good job, John.
Fire right up.
Good job. That's not bad.
No, he's tapping.
Yeah. Oh my God. Terrible. Terrible.
Look at his face.